Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new and seems to be quite popular ArmorAll Extreme Shield Plus Ceramic Car Wash. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so I was in my local Advanced Auto Parts today and I saw this on the shelf. I looked on my phone to see if anybody had reviewed it and I was really surprised. There's been several reviews on this product already. I have not used an ArmorAll product since the days I used to put it on my dash when I wanted that nice and shiny dash when I was younger. I haven't used an ArmorAll product since those days, so it's been a while. And this looks very, very interesting. When I saw it on the shelf, it's presented very well as far as bottling, which is always great. Bottling doesn't matter when it comes to how well a product works, but it caught my eye when I walked in the store. So we're definitely going to check it out, you guys. It says it has dirt repelling technology, and it says ceramic technology creates a hydrophobic invisible protective barrier on your vehicle surface, pH balanced. High foaming formula keeps or helps remove dirt and grime from vehicle surface without scratching, and it says it works in a foam cannon, which we're going to find out. I have watched a few videos. It looks like when you foam it on and rinse it off, it does leave protection. We're going to be doing it on my wife's 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is hammered, it's nasty, I haven't washed it in a while, and I don't think there's any protection on it, to be honest with you guys, so we should be able to tell really well. One thing I will note on here is it does say do not allow the product to dry on the surface. I don't know why that would matter if it's pH neutral, so, or pH balanced, it's pH neutral. I'm not sure why that would matter, but it says it on the bottle here a couple different times. In fact, one part is all capital, do not allow foam to dry on vehicle surface. So keep that in mind when you're using this product. It says 6 to 8 ounces in a 32-ounce foam cannon. I'm not using 32 ounces of water, but it says to adjust accordingly to the size of your foam cannon. But it says rinse the car, remove excess loose dirt, pour 2 ounces of wash concentrate into a bucket and mix with water. They don't tell you how big the bucket is. So we'll put 2 ounces in, about 4 gallons of water. We'll see what happens. Let's get going on this Jeep. I am very interested in seeing how well this product works. All right, so I put about 3.5 to 4 ounces, right around there, in the foam cannon. I put about 15 ounces of water in it. And then what I do find interesting, which is pretty normal, oh man, on SiO2 soaps, it doesn't really foam up. It does when you put the water in there and spray it in there, but the foam dissipates pretty quickly. Let me show you how dirty this car is. It is absolutely filthy, stuff falling off the trees right now on it. It is so bad. I feel bad even showing you guys this, but I've been really busy with something that you guys are going to find out in the future, and that's why I've neglected all my cars. But big plans, big plans. What I'm going to do, I normally clean the wheels and tires first, but I'm losing daylight, so I may just go ahead and we'll just foam this side of the car and maybe the hood and see what it looks like. It does say to rinse first, so we'll do that first to get all the heavy stuff off. It does have a lot of crap down here, as you can see. So we'll test it on this side and the hood, and then when it's all done, when I'm done washing it, I'll turn the camera back on. Hopefully it's not too dark, and just show you guys the finished product. But I mean, this thing is just, it's so bad. Okay, you guys, so it does say to rinse first before doing it, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Try to get this heavy stuff off here is what I want to do. As you can see, the water is sitting flat on the panels. Nothing happening there at all. Let me show you the hood. That'll give you a really good idea. I know there's no protection left on this. The last thing I put on this was Extreme Solutions topper, probably 2 months or longer ago. It's been a little while, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you. We'll get the foam cannon out. Oops. We'll get the foam cannon out, we'll let it dwell, we'll rinse it off and see if it leaves protection. And then we'll actually wash it, because it says once you agitate and you go in and you wash it, that's when it's setting the polymers in the SiO2 or in the wax. How about that? We'll just say that. I probably have too much in this bottle for this car, but I actually don't know how well it's going to foam, so we'll see. All right, let's go. I'm just going to try to do the body panel so I don't get on the glass. Oh, that foam's really good, actually, for an SiO2 product. It's very runny, which is okay, because you need it going down the surface, right, to leave the protection behind. Slowly, slowly going down. Pretty watery. Now the test is, let's rinse it and let's see if it leaves protection behind. It looks kind of weird right now. I can tell you it's doing something because the hood looks funny right here in this section right here. I'll let it dwell here for just another minute or so. Once again, don't want it to dry, but it's not hot here. It's about 65 degrees. So this is reminding me of Griot's Garage's foaming polygloss, which is their protection. That's a foam. It has these lines. See these lines in it? That reminds me of foaming polygloss. All right, let's go ahead and just rinse it. Let's just see if it leaves any protection behind without any agitation at all. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It doesn't rinse real clean, but it is leaving protection, and actually, it's leaving pretty good protection, to be honest with you. I'll bring you guys in here in just a second. I'm going to get it all rinsed off. Look at that. Not bad, ArmorAll. Not bad at all, actually. Yeah. Now you can really see it on the hood. All right, let me bring you guys in. We'll check it out. I'm going to try to hold you and show you. So you remember what it looked like on the hood earlier when I flooded it. See that? Side panels. Definitely leaving protection behind with no agitation. Look at that. That's impressive. Quite impressive, actually. Water just falls right off of it. Pretty good water beading, too. Very tight, uniform beads. I don't know if this is going to be a great soap because it's not, I don't know. It's not real foamy, so I don't know how much lubrication it's going to have. We're going to find out. But even if it's not a great soap, it'd be great as a last step protection on a maintenance wash. My gosh, it'd work great on a ceramic coated car. And that looks really good, and it's filthy. So, all right, let me foam it down again, and then we'll go in contact. And we'll see if it changes the hydrophobics at all. I doubt it does, but you never know. Let's just do it. Let's just see. My wife would be mad if I only wash this side of the car. I'm going to go ahead and do the glass because I'm going to go ahead and wash this side. Okay, that's as much as you need. Now I'm going to try to spray into this bucket. See if I can get some foam out of it. There we go. A little bit. I don't know. It's not, listen, not real slick. Let's just see what it does. If I had to grade it, maybe a C on lubricity. That's just, it doesn't glide very well. I mean, it does have lubricants in it, but it's not nothing to write home about. It's just not, it's not real slick. Now, I do need to work fast because I don't want it to dry. They could have done a little bit better on lubricity, though. I mean, that's so important when washing cars. Yeah, leaving protection behind is cool, but I'd rather have a safe wash than leaving protection behind. But let's just finish this wash. So we can see what it does. I do like this scrubbing pump from the detail guards that's in my bucket. I have mentioned it in my videos before. Very nice. Okay, we're just gonna take it across the front, go onto the hood. Just, there's not enough lubricity for me. There's just not. I think if it was sunny out or really hot, it'd be even worse. But let's rinse it down. Let's see if it changed anything at all. Probably not. We'll see. Now I'm finding this interesting up here on top of the doors, because I know I foamed that. I'll have to watch my video again when I do it, make sure I did, because I'm not seeing much up there. It's protecting that plastic though that I just wiped. That's a positive. It doesn't smell too bad either. It has actually a pretty good scent. Hydrophobics are staying about the same. I'll take you guys and show you up close. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, they're staying about the same. So, as a foam on rinse off, man, this is a great option. In my opinion, it's a great option. It does have good gloss, I can tell you that. It did a good job cleaning. It just lacks lubricity. But, once again, as a last step protection and a maintenance wash, $14 what I paid for this. I don't think you can, I mean, that's really good. You just foam it on and rinse it off. You don't even have to touch it. So, I love that they're coming out with products like this that you can just foam on and rinse off and you get this level of protection. Is it a protection you can count on? No, it's a wash-to-wash protection most likely. But as you can see, what's weird is up here, I really didn't see much when I was washing, but I'll check when I edit and see if I even did that up there. I thought I did, maybe I didn't. So yeah, not bad at all. I remember how cloudy that hood was. Not bad. You guys, I'm going to wash the entire vehicle, and then when I get done, turn the camera back on and show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys, so it is done. It's dry for the most part. There's still spots dripping underneath the mirrors and trim and stuff, but I wanted to get this video out here before it gets dark. Yeah, let's just take a look at it, and I'll give you my final thoughts here in a minute. As you can see, We're glossy again, which is fantastic. Looks good. Did a great job cleaning all the crap off that was on it. So no complaints out of the cleaning department at all. Looks fantastic. And this thing is a mess. Absolute mess, you guys, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. Another question is, now that I have dried it with the towel, is it still going to be hydrophobic? I missed a spot right there. That looks really bad right there. Oh well, I still got to do the wheels. I'll catch that here in a second. But now that I've dried it, let's see if it's still hydrophobic. Very much so. Let's try the side panel. I gotta wash again anyways. Yeah. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. This product right here is $14 is what it cost me at Advanced Auto Parts today. For $14, using it as a last step protection, absolutely any day of the week. I have no problems recommending that. Put it in a foam cannon, 2 to 3 ounces in a foam cannon, foam it on when you're done washing the car, rinse it off, and you're leaving protection behind. No problem at all. I have no problem recommending that. And it's 50 ounces. That's going to last you a while. As far as cleaning ability, yes, it did clean the paint. Look how great the paint looks. It looks really good. I have no issues there. My issue is the lack of lubricity when your wash pad is touching the paint. You need lubricity between the wash pad and the paint to keep yourself from scratching the crap out of your car. And it lacks in that department. This does. Is it slick? Yes. But it's not slick enough. Not even close enough. If I was going to give it a rating, I think I said a C earlier. After washing the whole car, I'd probably give it more of a D. It just doesn't have the lubricity that I want in a car soap when I'm washing a car, especially if I'm going to wash a high-end car. This car, I really don't give a crap about, to be honest with you. If it scratches it up, then fine. That's why I test products on it. But if I was going to be using it on a client's car, somebody's car that matters, no way. I'll use that as last step protection. That'd be about it. But it did a great job, though. The car does look amazing. Just not enough lubricity. I know I've said the whole bunch, but that is the #1 thing when it comes to a car soap. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. If you've been looking at buying this product, now you know what you can expect if you do. Last step protection, yes. As a soap, no. So hopefully this helped you. If you guys did like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.